Hey everyone, in the last video I showed you how to install Puppeteer inside n8n and the response was insane. So remember my last video where I showed you how to install the Puppeteer node inside n8n. You guys absolutely loved it. The comments, the DMs, everyone was like, Shahir, this is insane. Finally, Puppeteer works in n8n. And the one I kept seeing, bro, please make a video on how to scrap dynamic websites with it. Well, today's that day. I am going to show you exactly how to configure Puppeteer inside n8n to scrap a real dynamic JavaScript loaded website. Step by step, clean and simple. No coding stress, no broken pages, just a smooth workflow that actually works. Let's dive in. So, you already know this is the interface of n8n, and let me add the Puppeteer node. First, you must install the Puppeteer node inside your locally hosted n8n. If you don't know how to install it, I will paste the link of that video so you can learn it. Okay, get page content. I have added the Puppeteer node, and this trigger node is automatically added. Between these two nodes, I will add a set node. The purpose of this set node is to dynamically call any website. If we add in Puppeteer, sometimes it becomes difficult to rearrange or change the website dynamically. So we use the set node. Okay, the website I am using to dynamically scraping is this one, the web scraper. It is totally free for testing. It is a dynamic website. You can scrap it and use it in order to test the Puppeteer. I have added it, and the things I am scraping is computer laptops. It's working fine. Okay, let's add this URL here. It's added, and let's add a code node here. I am adding the code node here because the output Puppeteer generated is raw. It's not helpful and you cannot use it in any context because you cannot understand it. So in order to make it understandable and readable, we use a code node, and in that code node we can clean the data and make it useful for us. I have already write the code. I will copy paste it here and will place it inside the description so you can easily copy paste it and use it for your own purposes. The code is this one. Just paste it. Okay, and save it. Let's run. The Puppeteer will take some time. It will scrap the whole web. If yes, it performed. It worked really fine. I will show you the output of Puppeteer. You will see this data. It is not useful and you cannot understand it what written inside it. So check this output. This one. It's in totally readable form and you can read it, like title, description, prices, brand, price formattings, screen size, etc., etc. And now if you want to save this data and you want it inside your database, spreadsheet, or Airtable, so you can do it as well, like I am adding it inside my Google Sheet. Append row in sheet. Okay, this is the interface of Google Sheet configurations. You have to add the credentials first. I have already added my credentials. If you don't know how to add credentials, I will place the link in which I am teaching how to add credentials. You will see it on your screens as well, on the top of your screens. As you can see, I have already added my credentials, the resources, and the operations I am performing is append row. So let's see. After making the credentials, go to your Google Sheet, make a sheet with the name scrap data, and inside that sheet name the second sheet as scrap sheet. You can if you added the credential correctly, this will be added automatically inside your n8n Google Sheet node. Write it map automatically, and yeah, reduce the API calls. Let's run it and see if the data is saved in Google Sheet or not. It is executing. Okay, the data is successfully added in your Google Sheet. As you can see, this all data will be saved in your Google Sheet, and now you can use it for different purposes. The way you like it, you can use it. So that's how you can scrap any dynamic website using n8n and Puppeteer. Clean, fast, and 100% reliable. In my last video, we only installed the node, but this time you have seen it actually in action, extracting real data from a dynamic page in seconds. Now let me show you something even crazier. This one. This is my advanced AI powered workflow built right on top of Puppeteer. It does not just scrap, it thinks. You simply enter a brand name and a category, and it automatically finds products across multiple sites using SERP API, filters them intelligently through AI, and then use Apollo, this one, to fetch real verified company and CEO contact information. Here you will see that I have added only two data, brand name and category. The rest of the things is handled by this all automation, and in the end I am getting 100% accurate email addresses of the company or the CEO. You can get the contact information as well, each of them, but my requirements was only the email address, so you are seeing the email addresses. So whenever you are doing product research, outreach, or lead generation, this step literally does everything for you end to end. If you want to get this advanced automation, or you will like me to build a custom one just for your use case, drop a comment below or reach out to me directly on my LinkedIn. I will personally guide you how you personally guide you and help you to set it up. I am Shahir. This is Botnexa Automation, and I will see you in the next one where we take automation even further. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.